hard plastic.
So what we have there now, we have the Vernier Caliper, right? So what we're going to know is we're testing the width, right? So we can know how much, because we're supposed to bring it down to 15. So what we're going to do now is we go face it down by the facing tool is set at an angle. Start the machine. So as you see, we come out, go down, then go up. Just like a normal gearbox. So as you can see now, you know, he's going down. You know, taking a yeah. So as you can see now, he has consulted with his teammate. And now we get that down. So you know, we get. Yeah, so we are doing a very good job thus far. You know, we are being very efficient engineers. Chavez?
Yes, sir. I don't know.
I ain't going no.
So, what's it up?
So what we are going to do now is we are going to bring it down to the marking. If you can come in with the camera some more, you know, we can see the marking right there. We can, so we are trying to get it down to the marking. Yeah man, so you know, as you see, being here encountered by good classmates nonetheless. So you know, we are doing the same way still a bar, you know. You can see my apply feed. So this is the x-axis feed. So I have x, y-axis. Right, so we are going from the x, you know, the depth, we are going that way. So it kind of relative depending on what exactly we are using the machine to do, you know, and the purpose. So in this instance, we kind of flip it from its conventional purpose, whereas this I go that way and depth I go that way, you know. So we are going to trade depth that way, you know, feed. Kind of depends on where exactly, you know, so you know, that's it, being efficient engineers.